him in. Before you slip it, bring him back to the post so I can take the slack out of the leash. Okay? Bring him back up to the post. Drag him or drive him, either one. I don't care. Get him in that pocket there. Look out.
Gotta turn him the other way. There you go.
The other way around. Okay. Bring him back to the post a little bit. Stand still, we're going to out him. Ah, so it's coming. Good review. Good boy. Boom, baby.